So I'm going to move on to this third question. I suspect this is also a charter school question. My daughter goes to a school that has a lottery. My son is automatically supposed to be accepted because of their grandfather policy. They are saying he can't go to school there because they don't have a program for him. It is a public school. Can they do that?
Well, that's a very interesting question, and I had somebody in the office who had a similar situation, and it wasn't a charter school. It was a language magnet.
Okay.
And the language magnet had the policy that siblings got automatic preference. So I think what you're going to run into is that you get automatic preference, but the IEP team may not recommend that placement. And so then what? I mean, because on its face, it sounds like pure discrimination. But you also have this issue of the IEP team determines placement. You could try telling them that they're discriminating against your child on the basis of his disability, and that non-disabled kids who have siblings, those siblings get automatic preference. So your child is being treated differently because of his disability. And you could challenge that at the time of the IEP meeting by disputing the IEP, or you could make a state complaint to the California Department of Education on the grounds that your child is being discriminated against because he has a disability. You don't say what kind of a program the school has. If they have a general ed program and it's just dual language, then I think the question becomes, what kind of placement does your child need? And if your child can be successful in a general education placement, then I'm back to this is discrimination and they have to let him in. But you'll have to have a strong campaign. You need to figure out what things you're willing to do, and then you need to go and sit down with the principal of that school and say, I know you're trying to do what's best for everybody, and you may not realize it, but what the school's doing is breaking the law, and go from there. But in theory, they can't discriminate against him on the basis of his disability. But on the other hand, if he needs a moderate to severe special day class and all they have is general ed, I don't think you're going to get a hearing officer to rap these people on the knuckles. I think the hearing officer is going to say, well, if he doesn't need general ed and he needs a specialized placement, then that's not the right school for him.
Okay.
But if he can be successful in general ed, you have a strong case.
Okay. Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.